Welcome to IndTube How Printer Works. Printers work by converting digital data from a computer or device into a physical printed output on paper. The specific process depends on the type of printer, such as inkjet, laser, or thermal printers. Here's a general explanation. 1. Communication with the printer. The printer receives data, text, images, etc. from a computer, smartphone, or other device via wired connection, for example, USB or Ethernet, wireless connection, for example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The printer driver installed on the computer translates this digital data into a format the printer can understand. 2. Paper feeding. Paper tray. The printer pulls paper from its tray or feeder one sheet at a time. Rollers. Rubber rollers guide the paper through the printer. 3. Printing mechanism. The mechanism used to create an image or text on paper depends on the printer type. Inkjet printers. How it works. Ink is sprayed onto the paper through tiny nozzles. The nozzles release droplets of liquid ink in precise patterns to form text and images. The print head moves back and forth while the paper feeds through the machine. Common use. Home and office environments. Suitable for high-quality color prints. Laser printers. How it works. A laser beam creates an electrostatic charge on a drum inside the printer. The drum is coated with toner powdered ink, which sticks to the charged areas. The toner is transferred to the paper and fused using heat and pressure. Common use. Offices, known for speed and sharp text quality. Thermal printers. How it works. Heat is applied to special thermal paper to create an image or text. No ink or toner is required. Common use. Receipt printing, shipping labels. Dot matrix printers. How it works. A print head with small pins strikes an inked ribbon to transfer characters onto paper. Often used for multi-part forms or carbon copies. Common use. Industrial applications. 4. Final output. The printed paper exits the printer through an output tray. For double-sided printing, the printer may pull the paper back into print on the reverse side.